In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove background from image in Adobe Express. If you're working on a video project and want to make one of your images look cleaner, more professional, or easier to place on screen. Removing the background is a quick and useful tool to know. Adobe Express makes this process very simple, and in this walkthrough, I'll guide you through it in a clear and easy way. To begin, open your video project in Adobe Express. Make sure you're inside the project where you want to edit the image, since this will let you apply the background removal directly in the design you're already working on. This is especially helpful if you're arranging graphics, photos, or product images as part of a video layout. Once your project is open, click on the image whose background you want to remove. This step is important because Adobe Express needs to know exactly which image you want to edit. When the image is selected, you should see editing options become available for that specific item. If you have multiple elements on the canvas, take a second to confirm that the correct image is highlighted before moving on. Next, look over to the left panel and find the option labeled Remove Background. Go ahead and click it. This is the built-in tool Adobe Express uses to automatically detect the main subject of your image and separate it from the background. It's designed to save time, so you don't need to manually erase anything yourself. After you click Remove Background, simply wait while Adobe Express processes the image. Depending on the image size and complexity, this may take a little time, so give it a moment to finish. In most cases, the tool does a good job of identifying the subject and cutting away the background automatically. If your image has clear contrast between the subject and the background, the result is usually even better. Once the processing is complete, the background will be removed from your image, and that's it. Your image should now appear with just the main subject visible, making it much easier to place into your video project without distracting background elements. This is a great technique for creating cleaner visuals, highlighting a person or object, or layering images more creatively in your design. And since it's built right into Adobe Express, the process is fast and beginner-friendly. Thanks for watching, and now you know how to remove background from an image in Adobe Express.